In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a password on a Samsung phone. Whether you're upgrading your security or just keeping things fresh, changing your password is a simple process. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. To do this, locate the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's where you manage all configurations for your device. Once you tap on it, you'll enter a world of customization and control. Next up, you'll want to tap on Lock Screen. On some devices, it might say Lock Screen and AOD. AOD stands for Always On Display. This section controls how you access your phone. It's crucial for your privacy and security. From there, tap on Screen Lock Type. This is where you can view and change how you unlock your phone. You'll see a list of options like PIN, pattern, and password. This step is key because it determines the security method you'll use. At this point, you'll need to enter your current password, PIN, or pattern. This step verifies your identity. It's important because it ensures that only you can make changes to your phone's security settings. Once your current credentials are entered, tap on Password. This option allows you to create a new password. Picking a strong password is essential. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Now, enter your new password. Make sure it's something you can remember but hard for others to guess. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. After entering your new password, tap Continue. This step confirms your new password choice. It's a good practice to double-check for any typos before moving on. Next, you'll need to re-enter the new password. This ensures that you have typed it correctly. Consistency here is crucial. It helps avoid any future frustrations when trying to access your phone. Finally, tap OK or Done to save your new password. You'll see a confirmation that your settings have been updated. This makes sure your changes are saved and your phone is now protected with your new password. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your password on a Samsung phone. Remember, changing your password regularly can keep your personal information more secure. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.